What's up, everyone? It's me, your Surgery John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we are back for another Drag Race Philippines Season 3, Episode 4 reaction video, and this is for the runway look for this week, which is 3D Fractal Extravaganza. Ayan. So, tingnan natin, sinong queens ba ang magpapaka 3D Fractal Extravaganza ang outfitan for today? Yan ang ating mga abangan para malaman natin sino ang ating top and bottom for this week, for this runway look based on our opinion. Opinion ko to, kaya irespeto nyo. Charit, kaya naman, let's go! Check this out. Alright, we are playing 3, 2, 1, go.
3D Fractal
Ano?
Extravaganza.
3D
First up,
Fractal
we have
Extravaganza.
Maxi.
Kabog. Ay,
Hello, Tinkerbell.
For this 3D
Tinkerbell.
runway, I'm wearing a Tinkerbell's inspired
parang
Cocktail
raffles naman yung kay Maxi.
violet para nakakababae.
Pero yung wig
with
niya,
kapa
ano,
para chucha.
pa 3D effect.
I think she's a queen of
Chicha.
Raffles Drag Race talaga.
Raffles checkers. Kasi nga puro raffles. Isa
Really?
siyang babaeng
Really
lufa
good.
for today.
Really? Charot.
Really?
Gago. Same
Gago.
body. Oh.
Ay, ang ganda.
For my 3D fractal,
I
I
love
am an
this
organ, a red zany heart with a touch of gold because I have a
Oh.
golden heart for my pride, my family.
Zimba, you
In
look
fairness kay Zimba, no?
beautiful.
Ang lalim ni Bakla. Ganda. Gusto ko rin yung headdress.
Ang benta
Lakas
ng
naka-veins.
look.
Ang benta ng look. Ano yung Karen?
Popstar Bench.
Back. Ay! Color wheel.
So
Charit.
my
Ay,
runway
parang yung
look
lizard.
is
Yung lizard na
inspired by
gumagano.
optical illusion. Isa akong 70s alien. Mahilo kayo sa
alien.
damit ko.
Nahihilo nga ako kung ano ba talaga siya. Parang totoo nga, ang ganda niya. Cobra.
Cobra.
She's that 70s hoe.
Kabog.
John Fideliaga.
Ay! Uy! Kabog!
Ice,
Ice
ice,
cream!
baby!
Ah,
I am
look at the
serving
details.
The queen of the ice. Marami siyang mga frozen na water. Can you
Ay.
see the fabric?
She's Frosty, the snow girl.
Stoner. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I love the headdress.
Tita Baby!
Kumindat pa.
You're
Tita Baby.
Andromeda Dangerous.
You know, everyone has a relative who migrated abroad. But this tita, of
Mm.
course, migrated to a different planet. Planet Uranus. I highly recommend checking out the rings of Uranus.
Oh,
Full rain.
galing siya sa plantitang Mars.
In their planet
Platita.
look the look.
Ang ganda ng wig. Ng
Mixed
Tita Baby.
Chanel.
Pero hindi ko bet yung outfit. Ah, itong kabog.
Wow.
Ganda.
My
Oh,
look on the runway
tama,
is serving you
ganda.
fly, fly, fly like a dragonfly. Complex
Ay.
fractions, so I'm taking fractals for a walk in nature.
In
This look is
character.
inspired by the recurring patterns on the shells and wings of different arthropods. In short, ginugel ko lang yan.
Pak na may pakpak.
Feeling ko itong
Kapatid
sasave
siya
sa
ni
kanya.
Versex.
Ang
Insects.
Ganda ng outfit.
J
Love it.
Queen.
Mix Chanel. Ay, kabog
My 3D
din.
Fractals runway is heavily inspired by Sailor Moon, mid-transformation
Ah, Sailor
Sailor Moon. This is a hot
Oh,
pink garment made out of
mid-transformation.
vinyls, and I feel my anime fantasy today.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
I see Melai's reaction with my outfit. Parang gandang-ganda siya. So, oh my God, baka this is my top mo eh.
Japan,
Ako
Japan.
feeling ko
Sagot
mabubottom
sa
ka, J. Queen.
kakatiyan.
Yung hosting mo dahil. Pero ang ganda
Uniform.
outfit niya. Ay,
Oy.
kabog din.
Bon appetit.
For my runway look, it is inspired by bones kasi I'm a physical therapist. It's symmetrical but asymmetrical, and I feel really cunt in this outfit. And
Really
I chose
cunt.
white because it looks futuristic.
Mga momshi, magandang bone eye.
Ay, ganda nung top na yun.
Angel.
She's very blue, like a blueberry.
I walking down the runway as a halamang ligaw. Yeah.
Ay,
Kakaibang
Poison ivy.
uri ng bulaklak na hindi nyo basta-basta mapipitas. At hindi nyo
Parang na
basta-basta
sila ni Max na
madudurog.
outfit. Isa rin siya babaeng lupa for today.
Ay, siya ang nanalo sa pa-ruffles.
For Ruffles.
Kiana!
Ay, kabog.
I need this outfit to
Ang
spike up
ganda.
my life.
I am representing the Leo family. Tonight,
Parang
feeling ko
lionfish.
talaga ako ay kakaiba. Up.
Ang ganda.
Huwag mo siya tumalapit dahil may Kay Mindag. Gets ba?
Kay
Kamandag. Diba?
In fair,
Show me
alam
the
mo,
anemone.
super galing ni Kiana.
Uy,
Ganda ng mga
isda,
outfits.
uy, isda, uy, uy.
Kabog. Ganto. There you have it, guys. That is the runway look for this week. 3D Fractal Extravaganza. Yes, in fairness naman, na pull up na mga queen for this week. Pero para sa akin, ang top 2 queens ko sa looks or top 3 will be Kiana, si Mix Chanel, at saka si, of course, ang aking sis, John Fideliaga. Ang ganda, in fairness. In fairness kay John, from episode 1 to this episode, nagle-level up yung mga runway looks niya. So, that's a good sign. Kasi ibig sabihin, pwede kang tumagal sa competition. So, na-excite ako to see more, di ba? So, mas may excite pa si Mama Pao na makita ano yung kaya niyang gawin. And for Kiana naman, from episode 1 up to episode 4, grabe, she is doing her assignment. Ang ganda ng mga looks. Parang all 10s across the board pagdating sa outfit look niya sa runway. Talagang she's nailing it. At talagang tumatatak sa'yo kung ano yung look niya. And then, nandito rin si Mix Chanel. Grabe, ang ganda ng outfit. Pasabog. Feeling ko, kung dun sa challenge sa hosting skills, dun sa show nila, feeling ko kasama siya dun sa bottom. Ito ang magliligtas sa kanya. Her runway look will save her for this episode. So, tingnan natin.